The hardest part of trading isn't analysis, it's execution. Today we focus on trading what we see, not what we hope.
So guys, today I'm comparing a popular high-powered strategy with my AI-based bot. So the goal is to find out which one delivers better results. Right now, I'll reveal the strategy settings. You can test it yourself on a demo account. Its win rate is pretty solid. For this marathon, I have allocated $5,000 in live trading, and I'll explain the detail of how everything works. So I'll show you what to focus on if you actually want to make money instead of ending up with empty pockets. This is going to be very interesting. Let's get started. The strategy's main signals come from moving average crossovers and vortex indicators. We're going to see it here. When a red line appears on top, it tells your sell signal that you need to enter right after the crossover has happened. This bot makes it even simpler. Just hit the button and within seconds it tells you which currency pair to trade in. As you can see here, we're getting a pretty clean upward reversal forming, and long on Bitcoin, and the payout is small, but it's actually good, and the smaller the percentage, the easier it is to predict the asset's movements. Overall, both the strategy and the bot are off to a pretty solid start with their first trades. Looks like round one is a tie 1-1, not placing bets of course on either yet, but we've got two strong contenders in the ring and both are pulling profits. So I'll call the strategy Vortex. That's the actual name, of course. You can Google it. The bot says simple, just bot, keeping the score now, no slowing down or pushing towards today. And we're going to be determined to see if we can squeeze maximum results from both. Okay, Vortex is giving us a sell signal on Euro USD. Yeah, that's what we got here. The lines just crossed. Fresh signal. I'm following it without any questions asked. It's time to explain how the bot actually works. Note, your main job in trading is just official currency pairs. So let's get it. If you see an OTC label, skip it. That's the platform's internal chart, not reflected on public data sources. The bot only works with charts available online. This is crucial. Guys, please do not mix them up. Looks like I'm about to take my first loss. If this strategy goes negative, it loses points. Same goes for the bot. Okay, let's request another signal from the AI bot. Okay, Tron is available OTC right now. That doesn't work for me. Signals don't work on these assets, so we're going to be ignoring them. We'll keep requesting forecast until we get something relevant. All right, Euro USD is looking pretty good. It should be available. Right. I've got it open here. Let's enter. It says go long. Vortex loses a point here. Let's see what the bot shows me. The chart is showing strategy signals forming too. Also, it's pointing long. Though you can see Vortex has notable lag, just for your information, the bot is based on my own development. Under the hood, real-time marketing analysis algorithms are doing their thing. The entire analysis logic is built on my personal market understanding. I'll definitely explain later why I designed it this way. My goal is to show you everything as openly and as transparently as possible. So when you decide to use the bot, you will have clear understanding of the processes because consistent profits require deep knowledge of what you are doing. This is crucial to understand before you even start. Okay, here we go. Profits. See, that means we're moving forward, looking for new signals now. Okay, I've gotten something here. Nothing is new here, guys. Same old crossovers. I'm no longer hunting for extra signals or trying to reinvent the wheel here. As you can see, the system is clear and simple. Anyone can profit from it, which means I can request both signals simultaneously to speed up testing. Here you can see the trend starting to reverse from the bottom area, visible in the structure. By the way, guys, the video will only help you have a general idea on analysis. Don't expect deep dives. This episode has a different purpose. If you want to master classical trading and understand the market, build solid foundation, definitely check my Telegram channel via the link in the description below. There you will get everything you want. So there's no need to memorize, just study to understand the process, and logic will eventually help you achieve the stable income that you desire. Now, both strategies close trades, but only the bot is in profit. Well, we keep trading. Okay, short again. Oddly, the strategy gives nearly identical signals across different currency pairs. The bot has the opposite problem. Often the needed asset available is only OTC, but it's not critical. Less than a minute between signals. Fine, then wait for Vortex entry to compete, and then we'll unleash the algorithms. Guys, I've already said this, 1 minute expiration works best for profitable trades. I don't recommend longer durations, 2 minutes max, but shorter always means higher accuracy. Any time frame works, but Minute candles are shorter and easier to monitor. Always test on a demo account, of course, before going live with real money. Understand how it all works first, then move on with a live account. I stress this, use a demo account first. So we're pressing the button now. We're waiting for the currency pair to appear on screen. Okay, quick search. Time is limited. The longer we wait, the lower our profit chances. You've got about 15 to 20 seconds, no guarantees after that. The market is alive and it is consistently and constantly changing. Stay sharp and react fast. Seeing price react to moving average, strong upwards push now. Clear position accumulation, likely a breakout coming. Honestly, I've lost count, but the bot seems to remain firmly ahead. It's too early to tell though. Need at least 10 trades to really see which one works better. The old reliable strategy or innovative clean code COPM, OOPA algorithms, switching codes for now. Okay, we're buying here. Finally got a long signal from Vortex. Simple, green is on top now and the price is actively rising. So requesting that bot signal again. This pair seems OTC only again. We're going to be skipping that. Let's try a lock on the next asset. Honestly, I've expected different results. Deposit is growing, not shrinking. I allocated this amount, expecting to lose it without any regrets. But if we finish this video in profit, I'll be thrilled. Wow, seriously, another unavailable quote. Well, we'll be fine. And it looks like I'm taking a loss on this trade. Maybe I jinxed it talking about the growing balance. Oh well, no worries. We'll keep pushing forward. Okay, here we have it. Great. I found a right quote for the bot. Let's see what it suggests. The chart shows solid upward momentum. You can draw a diagonal from below to see it clearly. Price bounces off each impulse and progressively higher levels. That's what I'm showing you here. This is the core of my technical analysis built into the bot algorithms. I once asked myself, if my approach reliably predicts market moves, why not I automate it? The simple idea became a tool and the result profit. Now, back to Vortex. I'll keep documenting each signal and explaining my focus points, making it easier for beginners to follow. So currently it's showing a downward signal. Experienced traders might find this obvious, but I'm giving both methods equal footing. Approach this without bias for completely fair results, of course. Oops, false signal from the strategy. It happens. Even well-tuned systems have a margin for error. The bots can err too, but it's less likely. -1 points for Vortex. We're going to be moving on. Algorithmic trading is so streamlined. 1, 2, and we are in a trade. So no complications, just simple, but stay vigilant analysis and remain calm. Prime shorting opportunity here with strong downward momentum. Vortex dynamic curve captures market sentiment as well. Current sentiment is bearish, heavy selling, minor upward reaction. Normal we wait, the day is not over. How's it going on your end, by the way? Are you following the score? Vortex has been underperforming the bots lately. Whoa, welcome. Another profit locked in, another win for the algorithms. Let's wrap this up. I have something here to tell you. You can join my link on Telegram. Click it, it's in the description below and you'll see it there. You can join me and join this profit wave. And again, thank you for everything. You can share, like, subscribe, comment on this video, and let's trade smarter. I'll see you guys in the next one.